time to hike Mount Baldy. So I'm actually going to attempt to cook before it gets too dark here. Whew. Oh, it's beautiful. So we're going to cook some raviolis that I have left over, and we're going to do it with a mix of marinara and pesto sauce. So let's get to cooking. I'm excited. And this should be super easy. We just got to boil these raviolis, throw in this pasta sauce, and we're eating. All right. Got my good old Stanley pot there. Bit of water. So here's everything else we got. We got some pesto sauce from Trader Joe's, really good. Same with the marinara sauce. We're gonna add both. Of course, Parmesan cheese, can't forget that. And it's like this giant pack of like spinach, cheese, raviolis I got from Costco. Boom, let that sit. All right, we're boiling. Woo, look at that. There's like so many raviolis here, there's no way I can eat them all. And just like that, 3 to 5 minutes later, these things are good to go. Like, I know it's pretty dark, but this is what you get. We started super late. All right, so we're going marinara sauce first. Here we go. Let's see. Wow. That's even better than what I remember. Pesto, here we go. Oh man. Ooh, that is a tough choice. They're both so good. But what do you guys think? Pesto or marinara? Which is better? All right, I'm gonna enjoy this. Then I'm gonna head up to the trailhead, get a good night's rest, and we'll check in with you guys tomorrow to hike Mount Baldy. What's up, bro? Let's do it. All right, you can't tell, but this is Miguel. we started our ascent to Mount Baldy. It's straight up from here. About 4 miles?
4.5 miles.
Elevation?
Elevation, I'm not sure, but it's
I'll put it down here. Started early, just as the sun was rising.
Yep.
And is slightly ill prepared. No sunscreen. Shame. No trekking poles. We'll make it.
We'll survive.
That's for sure. All right, going up.
Where's the elevator? You promised me an elevator. That
We made it to the hut, and I wore the wrong shirt. This is a cotton shirt, so I'm freezing my butt off up here, but it feels good.
yeah.
Okay.
I'm glad I went. Apparently. Feel lighter, yeah.
Now you're picking up
5 pounds lighter.
You're gonna fly up the mountain, dude.
Way faster.
Yeah, 100%. Final push. Almost there.
What's up, bro?
Look at that view. That was sick.
Every year it grows.
Does it?
Yep. Every year, like in Whitby, they.
It looks kind of scary from here.
Yeah. That's why in the snow season, many people don't want to come to here. Super dangerous. So crazy guy, huh?
Oh my god. Are you really gonna ride down? That's crazy. Made it, bro.
Yeah,
Survived.
I'm hungry.
Hungry?
A little bit.
Peruvian food?
Peruvian food for today.
I'm down. There she is. I can see your element now.
Yeah.
Ooh. We did pretty good. Took us 10 miles and almost 5 hours.
Not bad.
4 hours and 48 minutes. Close enough.
Yeah. It's a bull.
Uh-huh.
Peruvian bull just decorated like, you know.
Why are they always decorated like that?
Yep, they decorated like that.
Oh, cool.
Pretty cool.
It is cool. Interesting.
Yeah, bro.
Dang, look at that. Wow.
From some Peruvian food with the Steven and Daco, some ceviche, and a lomo saltado.
Let's try this out. You guys can't hear me, but it's good.
Good? Those tomatoes is good.
Especially after a long hike.
Yeah, even tastes better.
Yeah. Thanks for showing me Peruvian food.
Thank you for coming, Steven.
Dude.
Great supply, huh?
Home sweet home. That was a super fun hike, and part of me did it because I failed hiking Mount Whitney. So this was a good reminder that I'm still strong and I just succumbed to altitude sickness. But if you're curious to see what that video was all about, if you haven't seen it, check out this link here. And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.